Tiramisu Truffles. That's what I decided to name these delicious sweets. I got the recipe from an Italian chef, I tried it and fell in love, so now I'm sharing it with you. It's super simple and only takes 10 minutes. You'll need 6 ounces of ladyfingers. Blend these in a food processor or crush them finely. Set that aside and grab a large bowl. Add 8 ounces of mascarpone, 65 grams or half a cup of powdered sugar, and a third cup of cold coffee. Mix until well combined. Now add in your crushed ladyfingers from earlier and mix until all the liquid is soaked up. Using a tablespoon, grab some of the mixture and use your hands to roll it into a ball. Add the ball to a plate with unsweetened cocoa powder and roll until it's fully covered. Continue this process until all the mixture is gone. I was able to make 16 truffles. Ooh la la, these won't last long in this house. This sweet is best served cold. Make sure to refrigerate any leftovers so they don't go bad. See you next time.